When you think of the most dominant creatures on Earth, you might picture the vast oceans with blue whales or the fearsome big cats in forests. Maybe you think of humans, the most intelligent and widespread species. But if you walk down the sidewalk or lean against a tree, you'll likely encounter something small, hardworking, and efficient: an ant. Ants are some of the most dominant creatures on Earth. Their total population is around 10,000 trillion, and combined, their weight equals that of all humans in biomass. Ants have shaped ecosystems and evolved with other species of plants and animals. They're aggressive, cooperative, and exhibit some of the most complex social behaviors in the insect world. In this video, we'll explore why ants are so successful, their intelligence, strength, and organization. Ant colonies, a complex social structure. Ant societies are highly specialized. The colony revolves around the queen, who is the only female that reproduces. Her sole purpose is to lay eggs, up to 300 million in her lifetime, depending on the species. The creation of a colony begins with the birth of a queen. Special eggs are laid when the colony grows large enough, and these hatch into winged ants, young queens and males. These winged ants take part in a nuptial flight where they mate. After mating, the queens drop to the ground, shed their wings, and search for a place to establish a new colony. However, only 1 in 500 queens succeeds. The workers, the backbone of the colony. The majority of ants in the colony are workers. These female ants perform the essential tasks: caring for larvae, digging tunnels, foraging for food, and protecting the colony. Their roles vary based on size and the type of food they consume. Larger workers are soldiers, while smaller ones care for the larvae and forage. Workers also decide the fate of the larvae, determining which caste they'll grow into based on the food they receive. Some ants, like the leafcutter ants, have distinct worker types for different tasks, such as fungus farming or defending the colony. How do ants communicate? Ants don't have good vision or hearing, so how do they communicate? In 1962, entomologist E.O. Wilson discovered that ants communicate through chemical signals called pheromones. These chemicals convey messages like the location of food, danger from predators, or instructions to defend the colony. Weaver ants, for example, are highly skilled at using pheromones to coordinate behaviors like food collection or colony defense. They even touch each other's antennae to exchange information. Weaver ants, master builders. One of the most impressive species is the weaver ant. These ants don't build their nests on the ground, but in trees. To create their nests, worker ants use silk-producing larvae to bind leaves together. They even link their bodies to form living bridges when needed. This teamwork and architectural skill showcase the power of their communication and collective effort, the power of cooperation. Ants' success isn't just about their numbers, but their extraordinary cooperation. Unlike many animals, ants work solely for the colony, not for personal gain. Worker ants live short lives, often dying young, but they ensure the colony's survival. Some even sacrifice themselves to protect the colony. When a queen dies, the workers don't replace her. Instead, the colony declines until the last worker dies. This level of self-sacrifice challenges the concept of individuality in the animal kingdom. Ants and the superorganism concept. The idea of the superorganism suggests that the colony functions as a single organism. The queen acts as the reproductive organ, while the workers serve as the brain, heart, and other vital organs. This concept has changed how scientists think about evolution, suggesting that group selection, not just individual survival, plays a role in evolutionary success. The legacy of ants. Ants are incredible creatures, strong, intelligent, and highly organized. Their success comes from more than just numbers. It's their ability to communicate, cooperate, and work together. Ant societies challenge our understanding of individuality and offer insights into evolution and cooperation. Studying ants continues to reveal valuable lessons about life, communication, and group success. They show us that sometimes it's not about the individual, but the collective, and that cooperation can drive the most successful societies. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of ants. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Super Stubborn Animal for more amazing animal stories and facts. See you in the next video.